From dreams to reality, a success story. Ayesha was just 19 when her life took a tragic turn. Her parents, who owned a small local restaurant, passed away in a sudden accident. Left alone, without family or financial support, Ayesha didn't know how to move forward. Suddenly, Ayesha found herself in charge of the restaurant. She didn't know much about running a business, but she loved cooking and remembered how much joy her parents' food brought to people. Still, times were hard. The restaurant wasn't making enough money, and she didn't have the resources to hire anyone. Ayesha felt lost and overwhelmed, but she knew she couldn't give up. She had to find a way to keep her parents' dream alive. One day, while scrolling through social media, Ayesha noticed that people in her town were often looking for quick, home-cooked meals, but didn't have time to go to restaurants. That's when an idea came to her. What if she could bring the food to them? Excited about the idea, Ayesha decided to start her own online food delivery service. She didn't have much money, but she had her parents' recipes, her own 2 hands, and a small kitchen. She began by cooking meals in the restaurant kitchen and delivering them herself on her old bicycle. She set up a simple website and used social media to spread the word. At first, business was slow. She only had a few orders a day, and sometimes she wondered if she had made the right choice. She would wake up early to prepare meals, pack them, and then deliver them all by herself, riding around town in the heat, cold, or rain. It was exhausting work, and some days she didn't even break even, but Ayesha kept pushing forward. She believed in her food and knew she just had to reach more people. Slowly, word began to spread about Ayesha's food. People in the neighborhood started to notice her delivery service. They enjoyed the taste of her homemade meals and appreciated her personal touch. They left positive reviews on her website and told their friends about Ayesha's delicious food. As more people ordered from her, Ayesha's business began to grow. From delivering a few meals a day, she started delivering dozens. But with this growth came new challenges. Handling so many deliveries on her own was exhausting. She needed a solution to keep up with the increasing demand. That's when Ayesha had another idea. What if she used a delivery app to help with her deliveries? She had seen many restaurants using such services to reach more customers, and she decided to give it a try. Ayesha signed up with a popular food delivery app and listed her service on the platform. Now, instead of riding her bicycle for every delivery, the app's drivers handled the delivery part. This allowed Ayesha to focus on what she loved most, cooking. With the help of the delivery app, Ayesha's business grew even faster. She was able to handle more orders because the app made it easier for customers to find her and order food. Her delivery area expanded, and she started getting orders from new neighborhoods. As her business continued to grow, Ayesha used the extra money she earned to improve her kitchen and buy better ingredients. She also hired a few people to help her with cooking and packing. Her menu expanded to include more variety, like vegan and gluten-free options, which attracted even more customers. The success didn't stop there. Ayesha realized she needed to find new ways to grow her business. She decided to expand her services by supplying large quantities of food for events and special occasions. She started catering for parties, corporate meetings, and community events, providing her delicious meals to a wider audience. Ayesha's focus shifted from individual deliveries to large orders. She set up a special team to handle these big events, ensuring that each order was prepared with the same quality and care. This new direction allowed her to reach more customers and increase her business's visibility. As her catering services gained popularity, Ayesha's food delivery business continued to thrive. She became known for her reliable and delicious food at events, and her reputation grew. Her business was now not only serving everyday meals, but also playing a key role in celebrations and gatherings across the town. Despite her success, Ayesha never forgot her roots. She continued to cook some of the meals herself, maintaining the personal touch that had made her business special from the beginning. She also gave back to her community by providing free meals to those in need and supporting young entrepreneurs who wanted to start their own ventures. Ayesha's journey from delivering meals on her bicycle to becoming a successful caterer and food provider for large events was a testament to her hard work and dedication. She had built a thriving business while honoring her parents' legacy and making a positive impact on her community. Moral: success comes from dedication, creativity, and adapting to new opportunities. Even when starting small, you can achieve great things by staying focused and embracing new solutions.